Hi, Mark Nelson from marknelsononline.com, coming to you from our place on the lake, and I just love being at the lake. Today I want to talk to you about how you can send people to your presentation. That's a 3-step process. So that's what we're talking about today. I don't know if this makes any sense to you, but I'd rather be out there in that water or out there being in my neighbor's pontoon than prospecting with people every day, calling them or following up on Facebook, doing all that stuff. That wasn't me. I'm kind of an introvert. I didn't really like to call and talk, and I didn't really like to try to build relationships. I'm fine about building relationships. I just didn't want to spend my time doing it. So I had to find a way to have people take a look at my presentation. And I do it in a 3-step process. So here's what it is. The first process, you need to create a piece of content. Could be a blog post, could be a video like this, could be a Facebook Live, could be a different video. And what you do is put that content out. Now, it should be a valuable piece of content. Something like this, teaching people how to do something in their niche. Now, in that content, the best thing is you need to create a giveaway. And a free giveaway that I'm going to give to you when this presentation's over. But what the free giveaway does, people get that giveaway in exchange for a name and email address. So guess what? You've just found a prospect that you can connect with. And because they've given you your email address, it's more valuable than anything else because now they're on your list. So again, create a piece of content. Have a free giveaway. Now, after they put their name and email in for that free giveaway, what you really need now is a thank you page. And on the thank you page, what you do is usually I do it in a video. And I thank them for getting my free download. I tell them it's on its way. It's going to be in their email box. And then what I do, I make an offer. It can be a paid product. It could be an offer to go to a webinar to learn more. That's free. It could be for additional training. It could be for a different product. And usually that special offer is very special. It's free, or it's $7, $9, maybe $17. Not a huge piece of property. So anyway, those are my 3 steps. And again, you could be I know there's some people that are just rocking social media by going out and talking and spending time talking to people, getting to know people. And again, I would rather be out there. So I found a different way, the 3-step process. Create a piece of valuable content, right? Put it in a blog post, put it in your email, put it in a video. Have a free giveaway that they can use that will solve one of their problems. When they go get the free giveaway, they're going to put their name and email in, and then when they do that to get the giveaway, you send them to a thank you page with another offer, either a free webinar, some different training, or a product. So I hope that helps. Hey, what I'd like you to do, I'm going to give you my giveaway in the description below. So click on that. What it is, it's 6 daily activity steps for you to recruit 3 to 5 people in your business. It is just an awesome piece of training. So grab your free giveaway, click on the link below, look in the description, or look in the up above, and I'll get that to you. Y'all take care. Bye.